Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your preferences on SideChef. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So if you want to change your preferences because I don't know, you are on a new diet, or you found out that you are allergic to something and you want to see only recipes that correspond to your preferences, then you can do that if you go to your profile, click on that at the top of the screen, and then you can see the my preferences option, update your food preferences. Click on that, and then do you follow any of the following diets? We only show you recipes for your diet. So if you are vegan, or you want to see recipes only for this diet, then you can do that. Select the vegan option, any ingredient, allergies or intolerances, let's say peanut. Continue. What is your goal? Select what's important to you. Eat healthy, budget friendly, learn to cook, quick and easy, plan better. Okay, quick and easy. Continue. And then your preferences are updated, and then you will see only recipes for your preferences. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.